to Naili's TV, and today we are going to be doing a Hello Kitty unboxing of my new Hello Kitty things. I got a Hello Kitty LOL, a Hello Kitty Miniverse, and a Hello Kitty bakery thing. So first we're going to do the LOL so she can do the whole experience with us. So let's unzip the zipper. Ugh, it's kind of hard. It has a little bow on it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay, look how cute. I'm gonna keep this ball forever. Ooh, look, it's Keroppi. I think that's the one we're getting. She's so cute. I love Keroppi. I love all the characters. So I think first let's open the biggest one. Also, we open that one next. Let's open it first. Oh, she's so cute. Yeah, I think it's the Keroppi one. She came in the splits. Dude. Okay, yeah, look, it's little Keroppi. So let's put her next to her sticker. Oh, trash. And next, let's open this one, because why not? Oh, perfect, it's her dress. Okay, that's so cute, I love it. Next, let's open this one, do a little ASMR. Okay, oh, it's Boba, yay, that's so cool. Oh, trash, go away. Okay, let's open this one, because I think I know what that is. Look, it's a cute little bag. Okay, so next. Yeah, I knew it. It's her little hat. It's so cute. Okay, let's put her together. So first her dress. Oh my gosh, it's a little hard. Jeez. Okay, I couldn't find her arm. Okay, there we go. Put it on a little better. Oh my gosh, okay. Speed this one. There, finally. Okay, wait. Where's her shoes, guys? Oh, I think they're in here. I forgot a package. It's so tiny. I thought it was trash. Okay, they're little rain boots, guys. They're so cute. They have the little handles that help pull them up. It's so detailed. Okay, let's put her foot in there. Nice. And then put her other little foot in there. Okay. Yay, so cute. Okay, then we have her water bottle. Her cute little Boba water bottle. I don't know if I can get her to hold it. Then we have her little... Keroppi cutie. That's cute. Okay, so this is her and all her glory. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna do our Hello Kitty Miniverse Make It Mini Food, which I'm really excited. I like the waffles a lot, but I also think this little drinky drink that I like a lot. But I think it's all Hello Kitty. I don't think there's any like Keroppi stuff, but that would be cute if they were like matching. But it's okay because she already has Keroppi Boba. So this is Miniverse. I really like Miniverse. I also got this Miniverse spa kit, but different video. So you just gotta watch that one if you want to see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, there. Okay, perfect. And then the next layer. Oh my gosh. I like the zippers. Oh, I did a haircut. Okay, so this is a really cute, like, outside. There. Okay, let's dump you out. Wait, okay. Cereal. Okay. Starting off good. Raspberries. I love raspberries. I'm gonna say the I think these are the tweezers or tongs or whatever you call them. Oh, they're red. Okay, so a little trick. I think this is the bowl. Yeah, definitely bowl. Oh, look, there's a cute little Hello Kitty spoon. Don't mind my crusty, musty fingers. I was playing with Slimer. And then there's this thing. I don't know what this thing really is. I will have to check that. This is the resin. It's strawberry milk. Yeah. Okay, let's open the biggest one. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to see what this is. Just like, what? Okay. So, I think it comes with like 2 maybe, because all this stuff I got is not the same that's in the picture. But let's open the cereal box because I'm kind of excited for that. It says there's cereal on it. Yeah, look. There's cereal. So should we make for some cereal? Let's use this. So first you have to do like this so it heats it up, and then we're gonna put it outside overnight. A bubble. That's why we went like this, like that, because so we can heat it up. But I gotta wait for all these bubbles to pop. Pop. Thank you. Because I've made drinks in the past, and like, I'm sorry, you can't see that. And like, I didn't pop all the bubbles and wait for it to set, so they just came out with a bunch of bubbles. So I'm not gonna use all.
I think you can blow it too. Blow the bubble.
We have no scissors, so we have to use our hands. I broke them earlier. Okay, so cute. Oh, they're bows. I didn't even realize that. Like, bows and stuff. Okay, so now we put the cereal. The instructions aren't that good, really. Usually I keep some of this stuff, but I can just keep the box and pretend like there's cereal on it. Because it doesn't, in the instructions, it doesn't even show, like, the, whatever it is. What's it? Oh my gosh, guys. Can I see? There's ramen, and then this cute little platter. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. But yeah,
I feel like you should pour a little milk on top to kind of.
Yeah, that's why I didn't put it all, Mommy.
Yeah, go do it from that side. Yeah.
I gotta warm it up again, guys. This is me warming it up. I just go like this with my hand.
Do it from that side.
I don't think I left any, guys. I might have to like go like kind of like that, because it looks like I didn't put any milk. Okay, so I know there's some in there. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to, guys. Let my mommy try with the sleigh baggy nails.
Oh,
you got some. Okay, not too much, not too much. Okay, so I know there's. Let me just spread it out a little bit so you can still see. Right here, like.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we're gonna put some little raspberries, you guys. Ah! I'm so scared. I've opened these before and like everything flamed everywhere. So I'm gonna put my nail in this crevice.
I feel like.
Okay, my mommy opened the raspberries. And then we're gonna go put it outside. So I might have to dump it out because there's kind of a variety. So there's some dark and some light, if you can see. So I don't know how to say that word, but you get what I mean. I'm gonna get some dark and some light. Oh, they're kind of squishy, guys. Like how raspberries actually are. But we're gonna need to hurry up and put it outside, even though it's nighttime. Cause like, it is. Okay guys, let's go cook our cereal. It sounds really weird. Okay, I'm putting the last touches of raspberry and then into the UV light. Sorry guys, I cannot speak. Well, 60 seconds, but yeah. So basically a minute. So while that, I will show you my little kitchen I made. Not kitchen, sorry, bakery. This table and that, and then I figured out what that little thing was for. It's for under the table. So then this little thing here. And then, yeah, it's so cute. Cutesy. And then, I don't know what this thing was for, guys. But it came with it. And, yeah, let me check the instructions. Wait, what? It says it's for under.
It's done.
It's done.
Is it hard?
Let's see.
Maybe another minute.
It's hard, but it's sticky still. So 1 more minute, and then the instructions say that it's for underneath. Okay guys, it just finished. Take it out and put it in here. Slid to the back. And I will, where's the milk? Ooh, some milk. Okay, sorry guys. I lost the milk. Strawberry milk. I really like strawberry milk. I'm gonna put it in there with a little empty cereal box because I used all of it. Usually when I make cereal, I keep some of it. Well, mini brand cereal. And real cereal, of course. And then that. It's so cute. These are all the ingredients we have. And yeah, she is about to try it. But you can't forget your boba, your milk tea with your strawberry milk. Let's see how she likes it. Yummy. She likes it. Guys, this spoon, I can't get over how good it is. Now I need to buy some for myself. Okay. She loves it. She says, me and Hello Kitty are best friends. Yay. Okay, thank you for watching me and Chromie LOL make our cereal, and she says she loves it so much. She's me and Hello Kitty are best friends. Yeah. Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye.